Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we will be discussing about how you can get rid of Google Lens in your iPhone device. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to get rid of Google Lens in your iPhone or to disable it, all you need to do is simply tap open your settings. So once you tap open your settings, you need to go in your privacy and security option, and from there all you need to do is simply tap on the photos option. So once you tap on photos, you need to now tap on the Google option and allow the none option there. So once you have tapped on the none option, you will give Google no access to your photos, and now you need to go back and tap on camera and do the same thing and go to the Google section and turn off the dongle towards the left hand side of the corner, which will allow its restriction to the camera option as well. So this is how you get rid of Google Lens on iPhone. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.